That's funny, convict. I don't recall giving you access to our database.
Just keeping up on current events, Captain. Seems this Queen of Blades got everybody running scared. She don't look so tough.
You have no idea who she is, do you, Tychus?
Don't matter to me none.
Well, it matters to Jim. They were close once.
Wait a minute. You're telling me they were shacked up?
Apparently she was something else. Before the Zerg took her. Turned her into that.
And Jimmy feels responsible.
Honestly, if we have to face her again, I don't know what he'll do.
Woman like that, there's only one thing to do.
I caught Tychus hacking into our database, sniffing around about Kerrigan. I don't know what his game is, but we clearly can't trust him.
Matt, me and Tychus ran together a long time. Got in all sorts of trouble. When the law finally caught up, he took the rap for both of us. Never once ratted me out. I got a second chance. He got locked up.
I understand your loyalty, sir, but...
I owe him, Matt. Leave it be.
Yes, sir.
Must be hard, man, seeing the Queen of Blades out in the world again.
How much do you know about Kerrigan, Tosh?
I had some friends in the Ghost Academy. That girl was a legend even before she disappeared from the program. There's a few that know the truth, how the Queen of Blades came to be.
She's a creature of pure rage now.
Oh yes, it's her or us. If we don't kill her, she'll slaughter us all.
Your Mobius buddies ever happen to mention that the Queen of Blades wants these artifacts too?
Hey, they just give me the missions, man. What's it matter anyway? Putting that bitch down would be doing everyone a favor.
I thought it was just about the money with you, Tychus.
Nothing says I can't do my part for humanity and get paid well for my trouble.
Right.
This is Donnie Vermillion live from UNN. Tonight, we're going to discuss the infamous Queen of Blades. Scientists and military insiders have long speculated that the enigmatic alien is, in fact, an infested human.
That's right, Donnie. Is it possible that the leader of the Zerg has a human heart?
More importantly, Kate, could this mean some kind of Terran-Zerg alliance is possible?
Donnie, there's never been any evidence at all to suggest that infested humans retain their free will.
You make a good point, Kate. The question is then, how do we kill her?
That's one I think we all can agree on. If humanity is to survive, the Queen of Blades needs to be eliminated.
That Zerg woman seemed to know you. She really rattled you, didn't she?
Me and her, well, we go back a ways. She was a ghost once. Back then, we were hooked up with Mengsk and fighting to get rid of the old Confederacy. We made a pretty good team.
What happened to her?
She was a casualty of war. No offense, Doc, but I really don't like to talk about it.
I understand. If you ever change your mind, I'm here.
I've been hearing strange stories from the crew of late. Unexplained noises, strange visions, voices in the dark. Rumor has it these things are haunted.
Superstitious nonsense. These artifacts are completely inert and they're contained down here in the lab. There is some trace radiation, but I don't see how they could affect things elsewhere on the ship.
Heaven forbid we run across alien tech that messes with our primitive little monkey brains. Just keep a close eye on them, Doc.
All right, sir? Confronting Kerrigan again after all these years.
We've got to stop her, Matt. No matter what she's after.
Well, we gave her a setback today. The artifacts are obviously important to her. I just wish we knew why.
Mobius wants us to go after another artifact on some dead world called Zill. Apparently they sent in a specialist team, but they lost contact with them 2 days ago. Their bad luck, I guess. Figure we'll get hazard pay for this one.
We still need to access the adjutant we retrieved from Tarsonis. Our old mercenary associate, Colonel Orlin, is an expert in Confederate code decryption. If our intel's right, he should still be based at the Merkhaven at Dead Man's Port. He's not very trustworthy, but he's our best bet of breaking that encryption.
My people established a new colony on Haven. It was going well, but now the colony's gone dark. They're not responding on any frequency. We need to get there and see what the situation is. They might have been exposed to the Zerg virus, and they are on the verge of Protoss space. Jim, I'm worried that something has gone very wrong.
We're almost to Haven, but there's still been no contact from... Sir, there's a Protoss fleet holding in orbit. They're disrupting all communications to the surface, and it looks like they're powering up their main weapons.
Jim, you have to stop this.
Matt, open a channel to the Protoss. Let's see how diplomatic they're feeling.
Intaro Tassadar, James Raynor. I am Executor Celendis. Your bravery and service to Ire are known to us.
Intaro Tassadar, Celendis. Listen, with all due respect, your fleet needs to pull back. The people on Haven are no threat to you.
Our observers detected Zerg hive spores infesting the colonists. They must be purified. If you wish to undertake this mission in our stead, we will permit it.
Jim, some of my people are infested. But you can't let the Protoss just destroy them all. If you keep the Protoss at bay, I know I can find a cure for the infestation.
The only cure for Zerg infestation is purification by fire. You know this to be true, James Raynor.
I can cure them, Jim. Believe me.
If you choose to resist us, we will meet in glorious combat. The choice is yours, James Raynor. We await your answer.
I ain't gonna stand by while you wipe out a whole colony, Celendis. Not while there's still a chance we can save them.
Then it shall be an honor to meet you on the field of battle. Your reputation as a commander is most impressive. I trust you will live up to it.
Thank you, Jim. Thank you so much. Whatever's happening on Haven, my people don't deserve to be wiped out. We'll make this right. I'll find a cure. Jim, the Protoss are already closing in on the colony. My people don't stand a chance.
We're gonna have to stop that purifier of theirs before it can wipe the whole place out. Get everyone evacuated to the main base, Ariel. If the purifier gets that far, we're done. Well, at least we can count on them being methodical. They'll stop to burn every settlement along the way.
You sure know how to pick a fight, cowboy. I got something that'll help you. I called in some favors and got us Viking schematics. Remember, they can change from a jet into a combat walker and back again. Pretty nifty stuff.
Jim, the purifier's drawing power from several Protoss Nexus. Its shields are completely impenetrable. How can you stop something like that?
Easy. We knock out those Nexi first, then we take down the purifier. Don't worry, Ariel. We'll stop them.
Bad news?
I've located the Protoss Nexuses that are channeling power to the Purifier's shields. We'll have to destroy them before we can stop the Purifier.
SCV ready. Yep.
Some of the colonists didn't make it to our base in time. We should be ready to assist them when the Protoss attack.
SCV ready. Go ahead.
Add-on.
Who wants? Been waiting on you.
Standing by. Where does it have?
SCV ready. What's going on?
Not enough minerals.
Huh?
Sir, the Purifier has arrived and is on the move.
Armed and ready. Ready to burn.
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! It's your dime. SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready. Big job, huh?
The Purifier's coming into range of a colony base.
SCV ready.
This better be good.
Yes, sir. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. What's going on?
Can't hold them alone. Firefight. Armed and ready.
Bad news? Go ahead. We hear you, huh? SCV ready. Big job, huh?
Who wants some?
SCV ready. SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
In the rear with the gear.
Sir, I'm detecting a massive energy spike. The Purifier's about to fire.
Gotcha.
You want a piece of me, boy?
SCV ready. Uh-huh. Bad news? SCV ready.
Commander, a Protoss squadron is going after the colony ships. Those people don't stand a chance unless we stop it.
SCV ready.
All right.
SCV ready.
Inbound. Ready to plunder.
Thanks, Raiders. We're getting out of here.
Forever. Yes.
The colonists have evacuated the first settlement in the Purifier's path. The colonists left some resources behind after they evacuated. We should pick them up.
Ah! You scared me! Big job! SCV ready. Go ahead.
Insufficient Vespian gas.
Ready for war?
SCV ready.
Ready to plunder. Ha ha! Agreed. Certainly. Inbound.
SCV ready.
Bold. I like it. All right.
SCV ready.
Let's get into the fight. No one lives forever.
SCV ready.
Can't hold them alone.
SCV ready.
Beetle, engage. Inbound. Transformation systems primed.
The Protoss have arrived at another settlement, sir.
Additional supply depots required.
That's one Nexus down. Keep at it, boys. We gotta stop that ship.
Not enough minerals.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Certainly.
Upgrade complete.
Made for battle. Ready to plunder. This better be good. Inbound. Armed and by the who wants some. Been waiting.
Upgrade complete.
You gonna give me orders?
What's going on? Yo. Yeah.
Not enough minerals.
Let's get into the fight. Transformation systems primed. Certainly.
Energy output is peaking. The Protoss are going to destroy the second colony base.
Yes, indeed. I like it. Ready to plunder. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Inbound. Transform. Transformation systems prime. Made for battle.
Warning. Protoss squadron detected approaching colonist settlement.
Into the fight. You ready for war? Can't hold them alone. Prime. Ready to plunder. Let's get into the fight. Can't hold them alone.
Upgrade complete.
That was a close one. Thanks.
The colonists have successfully evacuated that settlement.
Another Nexus gone. Great work. Don't give them a chance to regroup.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right.
Upgrade.
Where does it hurt? Need some triage?
Bad news? Move it! Gotcha.
Not enough minerals.
Uh-huh. Let's get into the fight. Ready to plunder. You ready for war? That's a negatory. It's blocked. That's a negatory. It's blocked. Big job, huh? Yeah. Transformation systems primed. Ready to plunder. Victory.
They've almost reached the next base. Hurry!
Agreed. Yes, indeed. Certainly. Let's get into the fight. Made for battle. Ready to plunder. All right. I like it. No one lives forever. Transformation system.
Upgrade complete.
Very well. Fight or flight. Yeah, right. Transform. Let's get into the fight. You ready for made for battle? Ready to plunder. Inbound. Transformation systems prime. I like it. Very well.
Purifier shields are offline, sir. Hit it now.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Ready to plunder. Can't hold them alone.
They'll fire on the settlement any second now. Get clear!
Battle.
Your forces are under attack.
Certainly. All right. Let's get into the fight. Oh, ready to plunder. Agreed. You gonna give me orders? Armed and been waiting on you.
Warning. Protoss squadron detected approaching the final colonist settlement.
Ready to plunder. I like it.
Upgrade. Mineral field depleted.
Thank you! Those Protoss almost got us!
Excellent work. The colonists in that settlement have been evacuated.
Let's get into the fight. Transformation systems primed. Ready to plunder. Very well.
The Protoss are retreating! You've done it!
You are as cunning as the stories say, James Raynor. I hope your belief in these colonists will be vindicated.